Is your iPhone's date and time not updating as it should? This can happen for several reasons, such as location service issues, settings restrictions, or software bugs. Follow this guide to resolve the problem and get your date and time updating correctly. Let's fix it. Solution 1. Turn off, set automatically, and set manually. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Date and Time, toggle Set automatically off, tap Time Zone, and enter the correct time zone. Manually adjust the date and time if needed. Solution 2. Check location services for time zone settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services to ensure it's on. Scroll down and select System Services. Toggle Setting Time Zone on. Go back and try turning Set automatically on to see if it updates correctly. Solution 3. Check Screen Time Restrictions. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If restrictions are enabled, tap Location Services under Privacy. Make sure Location Services is on and setting time zone is allowed. Go back and try adjusting your date and time. Solution 4. Update iOS. Outdated software can lead to date and time issues. Open Settings, tap General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, restart your iPhone. Following these steps should help fix the date and time issues on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for our next guide.